D guy asks, do you estimate repairs over the phone or do you have a contractor do a walkthrough?
Oh, that's a good question, man. Very good question. So you're definitely not going to estimate repairs on the phone. That's just it's not going to happen. Some people, they say, oh, well, the seller said it doesn't need any work, or the seller says it needs $20,000 worth of work, and then you walk in the house and needs 100,000. So you don't really want to just take the seller's opinion. You ask for pictures, okay, and from there, just follow the normal wholesaling formula, which is, a cash buyer wants to be 70% all in. So make a deduction. Basically, what I'm trying to say, just get the house as low as you can. If you have to go back and readjust the numbers, let the seller know. Hey, look, my money partners said we can't make this number work, but we can make this number work. That's something you're open to because of, give them a reason. The repairs are coming at this much. I know I said we can do this much, but they're coming at this much. So let's say you got the house for 80 and your cash buyer's at 75. You go back to the seller, maybe start off with 65 so you can land on 70 and say, hey, this is why we're coming in at this number. And they say, we can do 70. Yes, we can get it done. And then you go from there. But don't get hung up on repairs and all that too much. Get more hung up on just making offers. You're going to make mistakes, man. As long as you're living, life is going to be hard. You just got to choose your heart. Just go out there and make your mistakes because if you choose the right heart, eventually life gets easy.
Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.